How to fix United Airlines app not working, keep crashing, stock unloading screen. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you on how to fix issues with the United Airlines app not working. So now let's get started with the solutions. So the solution one is to clear the app cache. Clearing the app cache can often resolve performance issues, and to do this, you have to go to the phone settings and open the app manager or the app section. From here, simply search for United Airlines. Once you find it, tap on it and then scroll down and go to storage and then click on clear cache and also click on clear data. But make sure that this includes all the files, settings, accounts, and databases. So you have to be very careful regarding this. Now come back and toggle the airplane mode to disable and then enable your internet connection. This will disconnect your phone from all the internet activities briefly and then reconnect. Now force stop and restart the application. Go to the app info section and then from here, click on force stop this application, click on OK and re-enable it again. You can also uninstall and reinstall the application. So if the problem persists, try uninstalling and reinstalling the United Airlines application. So for that, go to the Play Store and then search for United Airlines. And if you see an update button highlighted in blue color instead of open, simply tap on it to update it to the latest version available and then launch the application again. If none of the solutions work, the issue may be due to the server outage with the United Airlines app. So in such cases, you may need to wait a while and then try again later. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can fix the issues with the United Airlines app not working. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.